question was already asked. So what do you think the number one deterrent from me doing that move is? What could he do that kind of would deter that? Well, even if he clamps down on his arm, that's what I like about this. He clamps down on his arm. He can't stop that if you crawl in right. So that's why I favor this. But there's a couple things. There's one thing in particular that will stop this particular thing. Huh? You can't. That's why I prefer this in front of the tripod. Tripod is it. So tripod's the thing that's gonna, things aren't gonna fail the same. So let's go over that. Okay. Relatively everything else, if he does a tripod, he does have the chance that, there is that move that they can kind of fire his carry, right, or knee tap you. You gotta be cognizant of that. But controlling this really cuts down on any of that. Okay, so that's why I like to control here instead of here. So people always ask, can you do that move here? And the answer is yes, you can. But this controls all his knee taps, his firements, and stuff. So here we go. He comes up to a tripod. So the truth of the matter is I can just bring him in. If I want to do, if I'm into this move and I want to stay in this move, and actually I would advocate it, because there's a 6 point to a pin. So he comes up, I'm just moving him along. Now watch what I do though. This is the thing I want him first anyway, right? So move this one back. Right in that position, right away. He hits the mat, he's in that position. And he's going down to his elbow. Okay, so watch this again. So here we go up. So he came up. I don't want him up there. I want him down. And let's say he comes back up here. I want him back down and he hit his right place up there, right there. So right when he hits that mat, sometimes you get a guy who's got his first 10 seconds of match, he's got a lot of energy to do that, back up to right before he can do anything. Bring it back down, bring it back down. And he's going to start like having longer pauses. And you just do it. Now, watching, why is it working right away? Because I'm putting myself in this situation. Remember, I put myself in this situation to do it, right? To get down. Look what happens when I back up. When it comes up, I take this leg back, and I bring it down to my exact position we're trying to get in. The exact position we're trying to get in. Pancake it right there. Okay? You think you got it? You want to see it again? It's basically the same thing, and all I'm doing is moving this hand along the mat. So the only technical thing that's going on is moving this along the mat, but